What is name?
Manasmita Rath.
Manasmita Rath. Manasmita Rath होगा serial number Manasmita Rath. What is your
Respiratory system model, working model. But first of all, we know what is respiratory system. Respiratory system is a vital, biological process in which the nitrogenous pesticide removed from our body and maintain its balance. Human respiratory system consists of two units, urinary bladder and a urethra. Then we know about two beam-shaped kidneys. The pair of kidneys that lies in the abdominal cavity of our vertebral column. It is in reddish-brown in color. The functional unit of kidneys is known as nephron. There are two ureters. Then the blood is purified the urine and comes to ureters, through which urine it passes to urinary bladder. Then we know urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a hollow muscular pouch-like system through which urine is stored. This is urethra. When the urinary bladder is full, the urine passes through the urethra. What is the function of excretory system? It is the function of excretory system is to remove the waste particles from our body. Excretory process. Then we see that excretory process by doing practical. Blood enters to the kidney and filtered by nephron and goes to ureters to urinary bladder and the urethra and the urine passes through urethra. This is all about my model. Thank you. Have a nice day.
okay? What do you mean by what is your written script? This is your written script. It means urethra, urethra function, excretion process. You tell about how urine is produced from the kidney. You obviously confirm that urine is the excreted product of our body. But stool is not the excreted product. How can you explain that stool is excreted product? My question is that you are telling that urine is produced from the kidney as a result of filtration of blood. But how can you tell that stool is the excreted product? Stool is excreted product. Stool means bolo. Feces, human feces is the excreted product. You are confusing?
Feces are excreted product or
Or
not?
not? Why not?
Sir, the waste blood is common to urine and form urine. But stool are not excretory product.
Excretory product. Why not excretory product? It is undigested food material. It is not the metabolic activities. But the urine is formed as a result of filtration of the nitrogenous waste product. Stool is not the nitrogenous waste product. Only in our body, the nitrogenous waste product are excreted product. Out of which the main excreted product is urea. Very good, urea. Then, what are the excreted products of our body? Do you know that sometimes kidneys, inside the kidney, the stones are formed? Have you know? Have you heard the name of stones? They may form inside the kidney. At what circumstance the stone is formed inside the kidney? No.
On the kidney failure.
If the filtration
is not occur clearly, that's why the stone is formed.
If a person may consume less amount of water, it is our duty to
Produce stone in the
it is our duty to consume more and more water so that the water may thus excrete products from the kidney. If you consume less amount of water, as a result of crystallization of the uric acid, may some crystals in the form of the kidney. Okay, inside the kidney, which artery may, which renal artery, which vein may carries out renal vein. Some animals have no kidneys. Give an example of animal which have no kidneys. Any invertebrates. Cockroach. Have you seen cockroach? Cockroach has cockroach in kidney. All the vertebrates contain the kidneys. Huh? Now we have to consume more and more amount of water to save our kidney. This is today's slogan as per your model. As per your model, you have to consume more and more amount of water. Okay? Sometimes you know you are. Sometimes this is ureter. Sometimes this is urinary bladder. Sometimes infection may take place inside the urinary bladder or ureter. Do you know? What is the name of the infection? This type of infection takes place inside it. ठीक है. Sometimes infection may occur inside. What is it? Urinary tract infection. कौन दी? UTI. Okay. What is name? Honestly, the doctor.